Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your YouTube videos private. Making your YouTube videos private is a way to restrict access to your content, keeping it exclusive to only those you choose to share it with. So let's start the video. First, open youtube.com and make sure you are logged in. Now click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. In the YouTube Studio, click on the Content tab in the left sidebar. Here you will see a list of all your uploaded videos. Find the video you want to make private. So this is the video we want to make private. Next to that video, you will see a visibility column. Click on the current visibility status. A pop-up will appear where you have three options. Select private and then click on Save or Publish button. Your selected video is now private. You can see the visibility is private. Now if you want to make all of your videos on YouTube private, then click on this Select All checkbox. Then you have to click on this Select All option. This will select all of your videos on YouTube. Now click on Edit drop-down menu and select Visibility. Click on Visibility drop-down menu and select Private. Now click on Update Videos button. A pop-up will appear. Click on this checkbox and then click on Update Videos. It's updating videos. So if we refresh our page, you can see all the videos on our YouTube channel is now private. So that's how to private YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.